strawberry.
How you love that strawberry?
Good afternoon, guys. This is Nate and this is Alicia. And together we are straight out of Compost. And this is our first video, so bear with us. Might be a little humor on our expense or not, who knows. The name of our page and the name of our movement is Straight Out of Compost. Everything is gonna be straight out of compost. And you can actually see the worms in there if you can look in there. It's like
That wasn't
worms.
meta at all.
Yeah.
We got some nice rich soil. We were on kind of like a vegan, vegetarian diet for a while, specifically when we started this mix for compost. But it's done really well. We have some pictures that we can probably put in here of our zucchini that we had last season that was about 13 inches long. It was crazy. It's probably the biggest zucchini I've ever seen. I gave it to some people that I knew who made zucchini bread, zucchini pasta. It was just an amazing time. We've had a really great turnout for vegetables. We've had enough to give away to our neighbors and friends. And we've definitely stayed fed and are working on more herbs and supplements and including them in our diet in a way that allows us to have optimal health and enzyme-aided absorption of nutrients.
Alright, right now I'm digging this hole. What I wanted to do is put some compost in the pile and have the strawberries kind of benefit from the compost that's been building. So I'm digging a little hole right here. Let this compost get into the ground. We got some huge earthworms. I don't want the birds to get them. And see how huge I can get these strawberries off of it. Like I said, the page is out of compost, straight out of compost. So if I don't use my compost, what's the good of it? You know? So now I'm going to put some of our compost down in here. You can see the color is very, very dark. Compost is very, very dark. It's because of the humic acids that are in it. You can use a shovel.
High decomposition of the foods and other items that we've saved from the kitchen and incorporated to make a rich soil with the help of the earthworms. Thanks, y'all.
I'm about to put it in there.
So what Nate's gonna do is mix this compost right in here into this little ditch he dug right here.
And now I'm going to put some of the dirt that I had in the pile back. And then we're going to actually plant the strawberries. We got these strawberries just yesterday. I had them kind of out, but I want to put them in the dirt. Now it's time for us to get them in the dirt. I'm going to make some holes. There's 6 of them. I'm going to make 6 holes so we can dig each one in there.
So first I'm just going to squeeze these little guys to kind of loosen them out, kind of work them so they're expecting them to come on out, and before we transplant them into the soil, but I'm taking care not to overly crush their nice little roots. But I'm just going to grab it back here, kind of work it out a little at a time.
Transplant 1 strawberry. We're gonna put him right in the middle.
So now he's just mixing it back there. I'm sure you guys can all see it right now. It's pretty cool.
Alrighty, so we got the strawberries planted. It's very arid here, so water evaporates really fast. Have to make sure that we water them a lot more often than we would on the southeast coast or other places where I'm from. And we can talk about watering schedules in the next episode or later. But here are some strawberries, and we'll have some photos and everything like that so you can see what we did. But there we are.
Makes